Hi guys, today I'm just going to do a quick, I'm doing Chinese dish. So what I've got is we're going to do chicken and beef in black bean sauce, just like at the Chinese. So what I've got for that is I've got onions, peppers, garlic, tiny bit of chili. In there I've got pepper, salt, sugar and MSG. Obviously I've got the beef, the chicken, soy sauce, oyster sauce, the black beans, some beef stock, and a dash of wine is going to go in.
And then some cornstarch at the end.
To thicken.
That's okay.
Right then, I'll just crack on and get this going. I'll be back to you in a second when I've warmed my wok up. Right, this is just basically in corn flour, this chicken. You know, just simple as that. It's called Velveteen and that. Just want to put this in for 3 minutes, boil it for 3 minutes along with the beef. So I'll get it out there because I've got more chicken to do in my next dish. That's why I'm not tipping it in. So basically put your chicken in and your beef and boil it for 3 minutes, and then we'll drain it. I'll come back to you in a minute. Right, I can just test this, just obviously with it being chicken. I mean, we'll just find a piece of it and just give it a test. Just make sure it's cooked. It should definitely cooked. Yeah, that's cooked. Look, so now basically what we need to do is drain that. So I'm just going to drain it with my sieve, wherever it is.
Behind me. Back in a sec.
Right then, so first of all, wok's hot. I'm going to go in with the onions.
Oh look, they're professional.
Give them a minute. Then go in basically with garlic and the chilli as well. I've only got a couple of bits of chilli because I'm a girl. Don't like it red.
We've got these little chilies and they are ferocious.
Yeah. So I don't really want.
You've got to get what you get here.
Yeah.
Can't always get what you need.
Yeah. And you're right.
Smells good then.
Make that touch hotter. Okay, so then may as well go in now with the peppers.
Yum yum.
Yum, yum. Give them a little stir fry for a minute. May as well give them a minute.
Back in a sec, we'll give them a minute.
Right, they've had a minute now, and so basically everything else needs to go in. So that's all my condiments. Basically, let's shut that lot in. Put that up. Get rid of that. Make sure everything goes in. Sorry if I'm blocking the view. Then I want a good, well, ouch. About half a tablespoon of black beans, something like this, in. Ooh. Nice.
Busy.
Then beef stock.
Cooled it down.
Yeah, cooled it down a little bit. Sorry, I should have threw the meat as well. Chuck that in. Back up with the heat. I'll back in a second. Just get that going. Yeah. Dash of wine. Forgot about the wine, to be honest with you. Should have gone in first. So that's going to need a minute to cook off. Now we want a bit of oyster sauce. About a teaspoon. Something like half a teaspoon maybe. Soy sauce. About a couple of teaspoons. Obviously this is for 2 people. Right, so then just bring that to the boil. That's boiling now nicely. And then all we can do now is we want to add some corn flour to thicken. So hang on a minute, just get it stirring. Forgot to do it.
Magic ingredient. Hold on a sec.
So then we just want to go with a little bit of corn flour to thicken. Sauce. Let's see how that does. That's made it nice and thick. Look, brought it all together. Maybe just a touch more. Right, it's really thick corn flour this, so just made it strong. You don't want to go too mad. Yep, touch more. Here we go.
There we go.
It's going to come together now, thick, nice. We've got the sauce job done. Where's the tub, Jodes?
Can I say it? Hold on.
Here we go then. I'm just going to put it in a tub because I'm doing another dish to keep it warm.
Like professional Chinese here.
Tastes like the Chinese as well.
Look at that. He's even got the portioning right.
Almost. So there you go. Like mixed meats basically. Well, chicken and
Black bean.
black bean sauce.
See you later. Bye.